Welcome to Edworking, the ultimate productivity app. Today we'll explore the Docs feature, where you can create, organize, and collaborate on documents effortlessly. With Edworking Docs, you can keep all your documents in one place, create folders, move files between spaces, and organize everything by project or team. Documents live inside spaces, like your personal space, your team, or your company workspaces. Use the search bar to quickly find any document, or the display menu to sort and switch between board and list views. Creating a document is simple. Click Create, New Doc. Add a title and start writing. Your work saves automatically as you type. Open the plus menu to see all available options. You can insert images, videos, tables, and much more to bring your content to life. Let's start with Ask AI. By default, it suggests prompts like, write an article about the title, or write documentation. You can format text using rich editing tools, add headings, bold, italics, or even underlines to structure your ideas clearly and make your writing stand out. The built-in AI assistant helps you write better and faster. Highlight any text and click Ask AI to make it shorter, longer, or improve its clarity. You can also fix spelling, simplify language, summarize, translate, or even change the tone of your writing. When starting a new line, you'll see smart AI suggestions, helping you brainstorm ideas or draft complete sections instantly. When your document is ready, click Export, Export to PDF to export it in a PDF format. You can also share your document with non-Edworking users using a public share link, so anyone can view it securely outside the platform. With powerful formatting, AI-driven writing, and seamless organization, Edworking Docs keeps your ideas, notes, and projects all in one connected space. Write, create, and collaborate smarter with Edworking Docs. Thank you for exploring the Docs feature with us. Stay tuned for more videos showcasing advanced functionalities to help you get the most out of Edworking.